Hi everyone, it's me. Number 4. Indus Valley. The Indus Valley civilization is one of the world's oldest, dating back to around 3300 BCE and lasting until around 1300 BCE. It thrived in what is now Pakistan and northwest India along the Indus River. At its peak, it covered an area of about 1.2 million square kilometers and had a population of 5 million people. Cities like Mohenjo, Daro, and Harappa were designed with advanced urban planning, including grid layouts, sophisticated sewage systems, and public buildings. But then it all vanished. Archaeologists have found no evidence of warfare or widespread destruction. Instead, it appears that the cities were gradually abandoned as their residents slowly moved away from the Indus River and into smaller settlements closer to agricultural lands. Some experts believe that climate change played a role, citing a long-term drought that may have made it difficult to sustain large populations in the Indus Valley. However, new research suggests that the drought only lasted for about 200 years and that people continued to live there afterward. It seems more likely that a gradual shift in population occurred due to changes in land use and economic activity, rather than a sudden and dramatic event. As for why this civilization disappeared without a trace, well, that's still a mystery. No. 3. The Maya. The Maya civilization flourished in what is now Mexico, Guatemala, and Belize between 2000 BCE and 1697 CE. They were known for their impressive architecture, including pyramids and palaces, as well as their advancements in mathematics, astronomy, and art. But by the 19th century, most Maya cities were abandoned, and the civilization seemed to have vanished. When archaeologists began excavating Maya sites in the 1800s, they found no evidence of a catastrophic event such as a volcanic eruption or a devastating flood that could account for the civilization's collapse. Instead, they uncovered evidence of a gradual decline. Cities were abandoned, and the population moved to smaller settlements. Over time, the Maya way of life was transformed by outside forces, including the Spanish conquest and the introduction of European diseases, to which the Maya had no immunity. While the ancient Maya cities may be gone, the Maya people are still with us today. Their descendants live on in the Yucatan Peninsula and continue to speak their ancient language, which is one of the oldest in the Americas. To Olmec, the Olmec civilization emerged in what is now Mexico around 1200 BCE and is considered the oldest major Mesoamerican culture. They built giant stone heads, some of which weigh over 50 tons and are the largest sculptures ever created by an ancient civilization. But around 400 BCE, the Olmec suddenly disappeared. Some experts believe that the Olmec were actually the Maya, and that they simply moved away after their capital was destroyed by a hurricane. However, recent research suggests that the Olmec were more likely related to the Aztec rather than the Maya. So what happened to them? Well, like many other ancient civilizations, the Olmec likely faced a series of challenges that gradually weakened their society. These included climate change, natural disasters, and overpopulation. Unlike the Maya, the Olmec didn't leave behind a continuous cultural legacy, but their influence can still be seen in the art and mythology of later Mesoamerican cultures. The Olmec civilization may have disappeared, but their legacy lives on. Number 1. The Indus Valley, the Maya, and the Olmec. These are just a few of the many lost civilizations that have captivated the imaginations of archaeologists and the general public alike. Each of these civilizations had its own unique culture, achievements, and mysteries, and each of them vanished in a way that continues to baffle experts. Whether we be talking about the mysterious decline of the Indus Valley or the sudden disappearance of the Olmec, these lost civilizations remind us of just how much of the ancient world we still don't understand. There are so many unanswered questions and so much to explore that who knows what other secrets the Earth will reveal to us in the future. Maybe one day we'll uncover the truth about what happened to these ancient peoples and get closer to understanding the mysteries of our past. Or maybe their secrets will remain lost forever. Which of these lost civilizations fascinated you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my others for more fascinating insights into the ancient world. Thanks for watching.